She is the sweetest actress out there, like always so kind and so generous. So tell us about being back here in Dubai for Saima.
So, well, this is my third Saima, and coincidentally, my first ever Saima was 2015, and it was in Dubai, and I performed, and I got the Best Debutant Actor award. So, it's really, really special to me to be back here in Dubai. For Saima. So much hard work by thousands of people put together, and it's such a nice thing because everybody from different South Indian industries are under one roof on the same day, enjoying, celebrating everyone's work. So I think that's such a lovely gesture by itself.
Of course, and we got to see her red carpet look right away live. But something that we're going to have to wait for is her stunning performance. Like, I got to catch the rehearsals, and I must tell you, it's super fun and like super energetic. But would you like to tell them what your performance is about?
Normal dialogue for me. Like now, I don't even believe it if she's telling me the truth or if she's just like okay, the same dialogue. हाँ वापस वापस आता रहता है.
No, I'm sure you're going to agree with me. On the comment section, you can let her know as well. When you think of Nikki, I think like energy and fun are like synonyms to your name. But what would you like to tell them about your performance?
Well, so my performance is this medley of 4 songs, starting off with Ilaya Talapati Vijay sir's song. It's called Wrong Wrong. And then I get into this song called Jimki Kamal, which is one of my favorites. And then I get into this song called... Okay, no, don't troll me for this, okay? Because I really can't say it. I try so hard. It's called Yappa Jappa Dappa.
You're right.
Am I right? Okay, so please. Finally, I get it right. And then there is another song from my own film. It's called Or Kuchi Or Kulfi. Yeah.
So they're all like our favorite peppy numbers. We're really looking forward to it. But Nikki, tell us what's in store for you in 2018. How is this year shaping up for you?
So, well, this morning, the single track of Charlie Chaplin 2 was launched. It was called Chinna Macha. So, we have Charlie Chaplin 2 releasing in 2018, and we also have Key releasing in 2018.
Yes, and you've always been someone who's always told us you love dancing, you love performing. How is it?
I tried to dance. I tried to perform, I would say.
But how is it working with Prabhudeva Master? Like, how is that?
It's fantastic. If you happen to have a glimpse at the song, then he's really put all his energy, sweat, and all his learning lessons into me. I think he's worked so hard to make me dance. I think total credits to him for whatever bits and pieces I have done in the movie, and it's an absolute joy to work with him. Like, there's so much to learn from that person. So yeah,
absolutely. We've all admired him as an actor, as a performer, but working with him up close, if there's something that you could share with us about him, something that you noticed only when you worked with him, what would that be?
Well, I think his simplicity is something that I really look up to. Like, he is like an encyclopedia of film industry, and so he's like an entire encyclopedia of the industry, I would say, because he is so well versed with every craft. So in spite of having so much knowledge and in spite of knowing everything so about every other craft, there is such grace and simplicity in him. So I really, really look up to something like that.